Hello everybody, this is Anthony from Sunny Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you one of the journal kits, or my latest journal kit that I have in my Etsy store. It is called Autumn Song, and it is a whopper of a kit. I think it could be my largest kit so far. It's 40 pages, so I'm going to take you through it very quickly. Okay, so that's page 1, and I just printed it to fit frame, and this is A4 that I'm using, so you can use it. You can print it to letter by fitting frame and choosing letter. Okay, so that's page 1. Oh, and I have a problem with my laser printer at the moment. So this is literally printed on normal copy sheet paper, 80 GSM. And it's kind of like when I do my test prints to see whether everything is fine. And that's what this is printed on. So the colors are much more vibrant than this. But my laser printer is printing pink, so all the browns look pink on it. So I decided, no, I'm not going to show you that, because then that's not a true reflection. So the colors are a bit more vibrant than this, because this is just normal 80 GSM. But you can see what it looks like. And then this is also on an inkjet printer. Okay, so that's page 3. Page 4. We've got a lot of pumpkins and sunflowers and things like that going on here. And that's page 5. And I left this blank intentionally, because in case you want to put a bow there or something like that. So I left that blank. Or you can add one of the words or sayings that you see coming up just now. I think this is 6. You can see already just on normal copy paper with a inkjet printer how beautiful the colors are. I just love it. And then some collage pages. 7. You'll see these in my kits going forward. 8. And 9. Okay, so those are your main pages, and then got a whole lot of background pages here. So I did the light and the dark green of everything. I mean, you'll see the light and the dark. Oh, there's a little insect wanting to play. You'll see the light and the dark, and the light and the dark is because you'll see the gingham just now. So taking the colors from there and then made the light and the dark of the polka dots. So I didn't want to add too much of grunge on it. I wanted rather the colors to come out, the vibrancy of the colors. So you're not going to see too much of grunge. You can see this got a whitish background, because I think with all the bright colors you needed something to tone it down a bit. Okay, so these are all the pages for the polka dot pages. And then what I liked about it is that you don't have to only use it on this kit. So your background pages will lend themselves to many of your kits. Okay, so there's the gingham coming through here. I think there's four, I think, of gingham. And all these colors over here are the ones that I took from the kit itself. Then this is just a background page that I added with some maple leaves. And then more damask. Now the damask is set on a creamy background, so it's not white. The background is not white. Okay, so, but they're a bit subdued. But as I mentioned, if you look at them, you know, on better cardboard, it's going to look much better. Okay, and then a more, you know, blending in kind of a gingham page there. Then some pattern pages. I did 2 pattern pages. Here. And then I think normally I do 8 ephemera pages. I've done 9 ephemera pages. I've added an extra 1. So, yeah, I've got some lines there because my printer obviously needs cleaning. So some nice fussy cuts here with your postcards, the normal postcard size. Then you get your coin pockets with your words, not words, phrases. This one's on autumn. You'll see that in my kits. I've added a little bit more on this kit. I think I added banners. I can't remember whether I normally add banners. Small little envelope over there. Some nice clocks here. Your big tags for you to use. Your journal cards. Nice big envelope there that you can write in, and a few more smaller tags which you can layer. And your 4 pockets, 2 side and 2, you know, middle kind of pockets. And this is the extra page I think I added, which is your writing paper. And then what I normally do is I give you words, but this time I just gave you definitions of some autumn phrases or words. And then the last one is our labels, which I love putting in there with my file folder, mini file folder, and then your circles. Okay, so that is the kit. As I mentioned, it is 40 pages with, I think it's 9 main pages and 9 ephemera pages. That's 18. 2 pattern pages, 20. A background page, 21. And I think the rest are going to be all your, you know, like your polka dots and your gingham and your damask. Okay. So that's the kit, and it is in my Etsy store. I shall leave the link below, and I do hope that you go and purchase it and have a play with it. It is, I think, I'm running a special at the moment. I believe it's 15% off the regular price, and if you know me, my kits are quite cheap, so another 15% off on that, and you're really going to score on that. I think I've got the special running from yesterday for a month. You can only put it on a month on Etsy. So do take care, have a blessed week ahead, and thank you everybody for your support. Thank you everybody for going onto Etsy and buying my digitals. They really do help me, and they also inspire me to create more. And I hope that you enjoy this kit, and if you do go ahead and buy it, let me know what you think of it. I will probably be doing a journal with this. but not any, maybe around September or so. Not anytime soon. I can't promise that I'll do it anytime soon. So take care. Have an awesome day. Lots of love and stay blessed. Bye bye.